Hello children, hope you all are fine. In the last video, you have learnt about participle. Today, in this video, we are going to learn about combining sentences using participle. You know very well that participle are of three types: present participle, past participle, and perfect participle. So let us take first present participle. You know very well that present participle takes the form of V1 plus ing form, and it suggests the meanings of because, if, while, when, during, and adjective in the sentences. So let us now learn the steps to join the sentences using present participle. First of all, two things you have to change, that is subject and verb. If you get two same subjects in the sentences, we will remove one subject from the sentence while joining. And if both the subjects are different, then we will keep the subject as it is. Next is verb change. We have to change the verb of the first sentence into the present participle form, that is V1 plus ing form. Let us take few sentences. With that, you will get the clear idea about combining the sentences using participle. See here, work hard, you will pass. Here, how many subjects you can see? There is only one subject, that is you. So, we will keep the subject here, you only. Next, we will come to see the verb. Here in the first sentence, work hard. Here, work is the verb. So we will change this work into the present participle form, that is V plus ing, that is working. So let us join this sentence. We will write the sentence, working hard, you will pass. Let us see one more sentence. It was very cold. I stayed indoors. Here we can find two subjects, that is it and I, and both are different subjects. So we will keep the subject as it is. Next is verb change. In the first sentence, it was very cold, was is the verb. Here was we will change into V plus ing form, that is was will become being. Then the sentence will be like this. It being very cold, I stayed indoors. See the next sentence. The thief saw the police, he ran away. Here, the thief and he, both the subjects are same. So we need to remove one subject. So we will remove here he, and in place of he, we will put the subject the thief. So our subject change is done. Now we will see the verb change. Here verb is saw. Okay, saw will become seeing. Then the sentence will be like this. Seeing the police, the thief ran away. So I hope you have got clear idea about joining the sentences using present participle. Next we will see that combining the sentence using past participle. You know that past participle take the V3 form and it suggests passive voice. So here also, while joining the sentences, we will apply the same rule of changing the subject and the verb. Here we will change the verb into the third form of the verb because we are using past participle. Okay, let us take the example sentences. His shoes were stolen. He bought a new pair of shoes. First, see the subject, his and he. Both are different. So we will keep the subject as it is. Next, verb change. In the first sentence, his shoes were stolen. Here, were stolen will be changed into the verb third form, that is stolen. So the sentence will be like this. His shoes stolen. He bought a new pair of shoes. Let us take one more sentence. She was beaten by Ramu. She went to police station. See here the subject, she in the first sentence and she in the second sentence. Both the subjects are same. So we need to remove one subject from the first sentence. Okay. Next is the verb. Here the verb is was beaten. Was beaten will become beaten. So the sentence will be like this. Beaten by Ramu, she went to police station. So I hope you have understood how to combine the sentences using past participle. Now we will see combining the sentences using perfect participle. As you have learned from the previous video that it takes a form of having plus V3 form, and it suggests the meanings of successivity of events, cause and concession. Here also, while joining the sentence using perfect participle, we will do two changes, that is subject change and verb change. Okay. Now let us take the sentence example. He worked hard for 2 years, so he passed the exam. Here, before doing any changes, first thing we need to find out that which event takes place first. Okay. So here the sentence he worked hard for 2 years comes first or happens first. Next we will do the changes. See the subject in the first sentence is he and in the second sentence also he. So here both the subjects are same. So we will remove one subject, that is he worked hard for 2 years. From this sentence we will remove he. Next is verb change. Here worked is the verb. Okay. This form will change into having plus V3 form. That is it will become having worked. Okay. So we have done the subject change and verb change. Now we are ready to join the sentences. The sentence will be like this. Having worked hard for 2 years, he passed the exam. Let us take one more example. The guests left, then I went to market. Now we will find out that which action takes place first. Here the guest left comes first. Okay. Now we will see the subject. In the first sentence, subject is the guest, and in the second sentence, subject is I. So here both the subjects are different. So we will keep the subject as it is. Next, we will do the verb change. Verb is left. So it will become having left. Okay. Then we will remove the adjoint, that is then. Okay. So the sentence will be like this. The guest having left, I went to market. So I hope you have got clear idea about joining the sentences using perfect participle. So I hope you have understood about how to combine the sentences using participle. Thank you children. Have a nice day.